Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Triple R Talent. Hope you all are well. Guys, today I'm gonna draw a beautiful and cute cat by someone's demand. Because in one of my audience, someone commanded me that I have to draw a beautiful cat, so I'm gonna draw it. I'm gonna show you how to draw a beautiful cat. So guys, as I told before, that if you want me to draw any favorite character of any art, so you can just text me in comment section and I'll draw it for you. So guys, if you really like my art, so please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you can receive new art videos and shorts from my channel. Now I'm gonna tell you the method. First, you have to draw a cup, which is too easy and simple. First, you have to take a straight line and then you can draw a face with linings. For making eyes darker, I used 8B pencil, and for shading I used 2B pencil, and for blending I used blending stamps or tissue paper. So you can also use these instruments to draw it easily to make it much beautiful and attractive. And one of the tips to make your arts attractive, you have to draw any of your art much darker, any of your sketch much darker, by using 8B pencil. So guys, enjoy the video and please support me, and also tell me in comment section, do you really like my arts or not?
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me. Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me. Take me home, give me wings to fly. We can run away, castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
I can wait another minute, I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream, every moment that I spend with you, with you.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking, your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. on the tile as I'm walking down the corridor.